Okay, so if this candle closes above in 15 seconds, I'm just gonna take a demo long on this, okay? And then my target's gonna be probably 5 handles. Okay, so no candle close above, so does not allow me to long. Okay. Now this is gonna be interesting tape read for sure. Again, I prefer the bearish fair value gap being broken before entering here, so I would not enter here. Now, if the bearish fair value gap was broken, then I would have entered here, but because it was not, then you don't enter there. Okay. It could still work, however. I want a more confident entry. Yeah, I'm just demoing all this. It's FOMC, so I don't really care what happens. I'm gonna wait. So see, so this, you can see this fails. Okay, just because we did not close above this, it's not gonna work. It will be. I think this is gonna be the draw on NQ, and then once we hit this, we can look for a long setup. Yeah, we could live trade out the news probably. I probably will. Okay, this might be used as an inverse now to the downside. That's my guess. I'm just tape reading this. I'd rather look for a long here though, so. It's 2 o'clock, then Powell speaks at 2:30. Okay, so NQ drew into this. This is where I'd look for like a long setup. Still. Again, reminder, demo only. I don't know how to get this off my chart now. Oh well. These are going to be horrible conditions, so I'll see if this play works. This is reminding me a little bit of yesterday's open, which if this is like yesterday's open, we're going to close above this, retrace, and this is not going to work, okay? So I'll prefer if NQ close above this too for me to long this. Okay, that's what I prefer. Okay, candle close in 21 seconds again. Let's see, close above. What a close above tells me is it probably tells me we're gonna break this low resistance liquidity. Doesn't look like the NQ wants to close above yet. By the way, I'm anticipating a close above. Like, I'm anticipating bullishness here, and yeah, these equal highs are gonna be hit. I'm gonna try some. So, look at this. No! Oh my god. I'm gonna gotta get out now. Ugh. I was just trying to show you guys something. So what I do sometimes is so I'm gonna get out. What I do sometimes is I chase here, knowing that we're gonna hit the equal highs, and then I put my stop break even and try to hold past equal highs, because I know we're gonna hit the equal highs in the first place. So I just tried doing that, but I didn't get filled. So basically what I'm trying to say is I see the equal highs up here, see that's on the balance fair value up. So I know for a fact we're gonna hit them. So I do like a small chase here, and then I don't sell at the equal highs, but when we hit them, I put my stop to break even, and I try to get higher. All right, so now this is where I'm gonna try to long, and then I can probably long now. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think we're gonna get to the entry. See, I don't think I'm gonna get the 5 handles for long now. It's gonna be too slow. So this is where you put your long entry. We should hit this high in NQ. But hopefully you guys understand what I tried doing there. I tried, bruh. I didn't mean to do that. I wanted my entry lower. Basically, I knew the equal highs were gonna hit, so it's like I chased the equal highs. Do not sell at the equal highs because that's way too low of a target, and then I just keep holding. Like I said, this high should be hit on NQ. We have equal highs now on yes. Let's see if it gives me 5 handles here. I know we haven't violated this, but it just from screen time, I know this is gonna hit. Okay, so 4418.50. As soon as you break these, I put my south break even. Hopefully we kind of blast above these and this at the same time. Okay, so there's the equal highs now. So now I put my stop loss to break even, and there's the NQ high. So just a really good spot to put yourself to break even. Ideally, I want to see us accelerate over this, hit this high. The 5 handle target would be right here, which is really in the middle of nowhere, but we're going to try to target anyways. Again, there's barely any volatility here. I don't like how NQ's dumping here. Please go more. Oops. Again, I want acceleration above this. Little volume and balance and order block. Notice how I kind of, there's a volume balance here, order block here, so I kind of combine the zones to allow for slippage here a little bit. My stop's in a good spot now because it's a break even, it's also under this order block, so we can get these 5 handles, that'd just be perfect. I bet you on a normal day this would be like already 5 handles right here, but obviously not as volatile right now. Okay, there's that. So now stop's definitely a break even. See if it gives us our 5. See, this is a target. So this is actually where I should scale out. Okay, like this is this actual scale out screen. This is not. This is just me trying to get 5 handles because why would you want to scale out at 4 handles, right? Not enough. So you want to try to get the 5 handles, especially on a day like today. 5 handles is really good. Okay. So again, low resistance liquidity right here. Inverse fair value gap here tells us we're going to trade higher. Just a little more. Come on, please hit the 5 handles. It's 5 equal highs here now, so this should hit. Okay, there it is. Boom. Okay, I'm just gonna get out. Nice. Perfect. So there it is. Again, we bought the retrace, almost bottom, take that. And yeah, there's 5 handles. So now that we got that under our belt, I probably won't do anything the rest of the day until FOMC. Okay. This setup was an A+ setup if it wasn't for FOMC. Every setup is not an A+ setup today because of FOMC. Type 1 if you caught that in demo. Hey, good job. Bro, live funds? Come on, man. Why you be trading live funds? If I did not literally say I'm buying here, would you guys have still followed my plan? I said if we broke above this, that's bullish. Remember? So if I didn't say anything, do you guys think you would have still taken this after I said it? I'm hoping the answer is yes. Okay, good. I was already anticipating, if you heard me say, I was actually already anticipating for us to hit this low resistance and for us to hit this high. Okay, I was already anticipating that. But you don't get confirmation until we kind of break over this. You know? Yo, pips and power, did you see, remember what I said about gold yesterday, how it was short bullish? I was like, this looks bullish. And I said to put your stop break even. We just pumped after. Does anyone know how to get this off my chart? What the hell? Yeah, yeah, I'm glad you guys thought that too. Alright, low key, this is probably a good short. I'm not taking it though. I forget I said that. That's not a good short. Yeah, that's not a good short. Sorry, I was in the 1 minute time frame. I thought that was like the 5 minute. All right. I still think we go a little higher. The reason why is because just we've lowered resistance quite to the upside now. So I think we can push definitely. I think we can push to 4428 still. So that's kind of my plan for now. We don't have to. I'm not longing up there, but see how we just hit sell side here and we just perfect balance out this rally gap. That's why I took the ES long. Yeah, I don't see an issue with it. I don't see an issue with the TV swap. Hey, let's go, Cloudy. I'm demo, right, Cloudy? Be very careful about your answer here. By the way, this is not getting out too early. This is 5 handles on FOMC. This is very, very good. I still think we can go higher, though. I'm not touching. Like, even though I think this might work for long, I'm not taking it. Four, 2, 5. I don't see them. Yeah, I don't. Oh yeah, these are not. See, these I do not put enough weight on these. CD, like I don't put a lot of weight on these. Yeah, 4427 would still be the target, and then remember what I said about data highs and lows. This is the data high, so I bet you this is going to be taken out. Am I longing this? Hell no. I will not trade now until FOMC. All right. Does everyone type 1 if you understood the idea behind that trade? Okay, good. Perfect. Okay, good. I'm glad you guys understand it. That's all I care about. I don't even care if you executed it or not. As long as you understand the idea behind this, that's gonna, again, you're gonna start to picture this in your brain because you're gonna see the same thing happen over and over and over and over and over again. This is the same thing that happens over and over and over and over and over again. That works every single day. Okay. So obviously, if there's, like when I go on my cruise in the summer, in July, that I'll be gone for like a whole week. Okay, obviously, I'm hoping Leopard or someone else can stream, but hopefully you'll be able to see this stuff without me. Alright, well, Leopard opted out. So I do like this data high, okay? Nothing is interesting me right now. I mean, I like this order block maybe for a long. I'll probably look for like a confirmation long off this. Okay, so he tapped the order block. Remember this, the order block is this whole candle. Okay, so he tapped the order block. Now if it can hold above this, I bet you we're gonna go hit the data high right now. Euro, every single 5-minute fair value gets being respected. We should keep going higher to this. This high up here. No, I got in when we kind of retraced. I was gonna chase here, but again, some days I'll take after we close above the inverse fair value gap, like I'll take it then. But on a day like today where it's not as volatile, you want to have the best entry possible because let's say chase right here, I would have just gotten the 5 points, but it would have taken longer. I bet you this is going to break out here. You can just tell. Screen time. Yeah, that's what it looks like. So we should hit this high. I want to see acceleration past this high. Okay, there it is. So see how I could just tell we're just about to at least blast out to the high. Just you could tell low resistance liquidity here. Is there any down here? Nope. Still got this low resistance liquidity up here in ES. So would you have entered off today? What do you think? I literally have it on my screen. I did enter. Remember, when I take a demo trade, you can take it on your funds as whatever. I don't care. I'm just demoing it personally. Alright, see how as soon as we hit the high, we just dump? That's obviously not good. I want to see acceleration past it. Again, I want to see, so in the next commentary, what I wrote is, I want to see a bullish for rally gap. Tell me where we're going to trade to this data high. Okay, I don't see that yet. I'm anticipating we do. Okay, I think we do. Yo, what's up, Levi? Oh, I gotta turn my headphones on. Yo, hello? Yo. Yeah, that's 5-minute favorite. Yeah, this is just a play where I've seen it so many times where, like, even if I get in here, the stop's still 2 points. Your stop's to close below this, which is still like 2 or 3 points, so it's still fine. Yeah. Yeah. 5-minute, just. Gotcha. Yeah, I think that draws up still too. Yeah. Yeah, the inverse tells you everything. Yeah, exactly. I still think we run this high. Yeah, and we held that. This was perfect. I could have just took this long. See, this is the type of long I want to alert. Like, I'm gonna start to alert this in the alert channel, just blindly long it because it looked good. And still no displacement above this. Did you post it in chat? Yeah, I see. Yeah. Yeah, gold shorts would have been here. I missed the entry. I don't really like gold right now. Too much consolidation. I'm not gonna watch it. At 832. 832. Nothing. This is on the sell side of the curve, and there's a data high above. Okay, there's the buy side liquidity on ES. Can't say boom yet. Boom. There it is. Who caught that? 2 for 2 today now. I was not expecting to take that. All right. Oh, there we have it, folks. Bro, what was that executional eyes? You need to work in your psychology. I can already tell. All right, see you guys tomorrow. I'm ending the stream. That was enough for me today. Hope you guys bank. Peace. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. Low key, I could literally probably get off right now and just come back for FOMC. Do you really think? Yeah, but all these people are here for me to teach. Yeah, and I'm not calling any shit after I saw what Metzi did yesterday. I literally mentioned, oh, we should still hit this buy side, and Metzi like full ported 3 ES cons for 2-point profit. Like that was a horrible trade, and he still somehow won because I called buy. I said we are gonna hit buy side. Yeah, Butters, I alerted a long right here. And I just alerted, and I just longed myself. I said we're going to hit this data high when we're down here. So I basically alerted that long too. It's pretty clean, Butters. My entry in the long was intuition, being that this inverse rate rally gap was here. So you gotta realize, my long was like, I tried to get a lower fill, but it just failed me. My stop was really below, if we close below this, which, this was a 2.2R play. Stop was if we close below it. And this is risk free enough to where this was, like this was tight enough to where I could long without even hitting the fair value gap here. Had 10 Apex eval accounts ready to die or reset. Saved 5 and killed 5 with this shit trading. Bruh. How do you save 5 and kill 5 at the same time? That makes zero sense unless they were different trades. Alright, I'll see you later. Everyone do what Levi's doing. Leave the voice chat now and be disciplined. And stop. Yeah. We'll come back and have fun for FOMC. Wait, type one in chat if you're doing the free trial. I'm curious. I don't really recognize any of your names. Okay, 80, you're doing the free trial. Okay, cool. No, do not type 2 if you're type 2 if you're an idiot. Type 1 if you're doing a free trial. Stop, bro. The reason I'm saying this is because I want to get to know, like, I already know everyone not doing the free trial. Sully, August, I already know you guys. I opened up the free trial on my Patreon just to see, like, because they offered it. And literally, if it was me, what I would do is I would just do the free trial, and I just cancel after 7 days. If you didn't have a lot of money or didn't want to pay for someone. Because it's a free 7 days, so why not? I mean, the old me definitely would have done that. Yeah, freeloaders. Hey, I'll give freeloaders what they want. I've already called 2 bangers today. Should make them green for the week. So then they can just cancel and then they can go on with life. I'll probably open up the free trial again. Probably next month, but... I agree, John. I still think we're going to go higher with NQ. I'm not calling this shit out, but probably going to go hit this high, to be honest. We don't have to hit this high. This is just one of those highs where, okay, if we hit it, you look for a short. But it's like, we hit the data high. It's good enough for me. I'm not going to call out this high. It's just like, there's no point. I don't care if this high gets hit or not. This is the high that I wanted. Thanks, CD. Appreciate it. Yeah, Steed. Like I said, I'm gonna make a channel where I literally blindly alert a ton of stuff. And it's gonna be a separate channel, and I'm obviously gonna post the risk disclaimer in it because, you know, it's going to be a lot. And it's just going to be more of a test for me because I'm trying to see if I could up my win rate by not waiting for confirmation setups and kind of, because I feel like waiting for confirmation setups, that's so easy. Confirmation setups work like every time. And I swear they never fail if you know the drawn liquidity is. Like, I don't know, my win rate's so high with them. So what I'm trying to do is, there it is. So what I'm trying to do is literally blindly long instead of waiting for confirmation setups to test out, to try to get a little better at ICT, because it's almost like instead of waiting for the confirmation, I anticipate the confirmation to come. So it's just trying to be one step ahead, and I'm just gonna, again, it's gonna be good practice for me. And I'm probably gonna start with an eval account with those trades. But I don't know. The risk management. Oh, I'll say it. I'll put the stop still. By blindly longing and shorting, like, I'll give you an example of a play. Like, I would do something like this. I would do entry here. I'll probably do like a bigger stop loss, and I'd probably just try this or something instead of waiting for confirmation. Do you see what I mean now? This is what I would do. Man, it's really hard being bullish up here, but, you know, I saw the longs today. Gotta take them when you can. By the way, if you are doing the free trial, then you're just going to cancel after the 7 days, which I don't give a shit if you do. Make sure to write a testimonial first before you cancel on what your honest thoughts were. I definitely feel bad for the people who have to work and can't listen to my stream all day. It's definitely tougher. That's why I want to start this other channel where I'm just going to do a risk disclaimer. I'm going to be like, oh, I'm taking all these on eval, and I'll just blindly alert stuff. So hopefully that helps a little bit, but... Ranos, that probably means you need to watch more ICT videos. Because I've called a lot of trades, bro. Like, I've called the bias every single day. My bias is, like, very, very good. I'm going to be honest, you could literally just, if I say, oh, I think we're going to hit here, you could literally just blindly enter no stop and see how right I am every time I say that. And I guarantee you'd still be profitable, even without an entry. If I called out, oh, I think we're hitting here, but there's no entry, just enter and see what happens on an eval count. Like, confirmation long would be, I've gone over a lot. Have you watched my video on it yet, Clint? Confirmation short here would be something like a violation of this, and then like a second bearish fair value. Like, yeah, that would be a confirmation short. So it's like a second setup. It's like the second accumulation or distribution leg. So Ranos, do you see how I'm calling all these price targets and they're all hitting? Like you, as soon as I mention, okay, I think we're gonna go for this data high, like down here, as long as we hold this, you could literally just take a blind entry, stop loss below this, and just sell at this high. Right? It doesn't have to be perfect setup every time. Yeah, I gotta make a tweet about that, August. What the hell?
It's not me. As you can see, I have bedhead, but I'm not bald.
Did you guys see ICT's video? Hell. Bro, ICT is so weird. Like, he's so weird. Yeah, he's been flexing a lot. I've noticed that. When you nod your head yes, but you wanna say no, what do you mean? Have we hit 438 on SPY yet? Hey, we just hit 430 on SPY. I'm not even kidding. This might be top. Like, I'm being fully serious. This might be top for the next 400 points. Somewhere around here. I'm not. So, yeah, I just realized we hit 430 in SPY. 438 to like 440 SPY was. There's a lot of resistance there. Lots of like harmonic completions. There's something ICT related. I don't know. I'll see what FOMC does. This definitely could be top though. Why do you guys think I'm not averaging down at SQQQ here, even though I'm saying that? Why am I not averaging down on SQQ shares here? Why am I not interested, even though I think this could be around the area where we potentially top out at for the next month? Yes, because I want to see what FOMC does first. I'll average down on FOMC or on SQQQ if I see a short setup after FOMC. I just sold. I had some TQQQ shares. I just sold them here, cause I'm being dead serious. Like, this literally, if I called top right here when I just called it, and we just dump and dump and dump, that would be crazy. Like, I'm generally not even joking around right now. I didn't realize we hit 438 in SPY. 438 to 440 is where I thought is where like there's a lot of resistance. Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, you're probably talking about NQ1, right? Oh, okay. Gotcha. I need nod your head, yes. And you want to say no, what do you mean? I'm not shorting this inverse for a value gap, okay? I'm not even going to demo it. I don't really like it. It could work. Like, I don't care if this works now. We have FOMC. I'm not touching anything else. It's another B setup. Why no lucky? Just screen time intuition. I don't know. I just don't like it. I feel like the order flow's still not better shit. See, we're redelivering from a bullish for a value gap and a volume imbalance. That's why I don't like it. I'll still have it drawn just to see how we react to it, but I don't really like it. Man, I feel bad for everyone who missed earlier. Gun to my head. Gun to my head. Who agrees? Gun to my head. Definitely overexcited right now, as you can see. We have a lot of consolidation. We're just waiting for the breakout here. Look, it looks like a straight line right here. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, this is probably gonna work. I'm probably gonna hit this low. I'm not taking it though. It's a pretty nice reaction off this inverse. I'm not taking it. Do not take it. Do not touch 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 it. Times 10,500,004. I could very well be wrong about this. I'm just watching. Matty, I hope that's demo. If that's not demo, I'm kicking you out of the Discord. It's for eval, bro. Oh my god, dude. Alright, well, if this fails, it's not on me. But if it works, it is on me because I showed you it. No, I'm just kidding. I'm not even being like Why are you guys taking plays right here? Come on. There's no point in taking this short. Even if it works. I don't like... Are you not green enough? Be disciplined. I don't even like this short anyways. Yeah, if anything, just paper it. I don't care. Actually, PG Capital, the RR on the short's probably, it's actually pretty good because you would not sell it this low. It would be something like this. It's a low. I call this a low risk short. You probably hold it on here, and then you probably hold the rest of it on here. Again, I do not like this short at all. Okay. I like this reaction, but yeah, stop trading this, dude. I told you, there's a very high chance I'm wrong about this shit, especially with FOMC. Even if the play works, I don't care. And again, we're still delivering from a bullish fair value gap, right? Why would you take a short if you were delivering from a bullish fair value gap? We're gonna go back and hit the high probably. Actually, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not saying we're gonna go hit. Yeah, well, the actual thing would be like this, which is about a 4R. Obviously not a play I take because we're delivering from a bullish fair value gap in the higher time frame, which tells me we're going to go back to the high. So it's definitely not a play I take. Something I'm just watching. Momentum still seems good. Yeah, again, we're re-delivering from this fair value gap, so I don't know what's gonna happen right now. I'm just watching. Here's the confirmation long setup, which I'm not taking. Right here. I am not taking this, but it is the confirmation long setup. We have equal lows here. I really wouldn't want to worry about these, but this would also make this against our rules to long this. Again, please just tape read. Please just tape read here. No, it's for short or long, Eric. For short, I think, nah, it's like the fake model. It's because we're re-delivering from a bullish fair value gap right now, which is why this is the confirmation setup for a long. This is the 2022 model setup long. The short, not yet, because the order flow is still bullish. You get what I'm saying? Yeah, we did, but remember, I always talk about where are we delivering from. We still a bullish order flow here. I don't give a rat's ass about what happens here, though. Okay, I don't care if short works. I don't care if long works. I'm tape reading. Yeah, it was, John. Just not my. I don't really, not my type of model. I like to take every time. I'll probably come back like at 145. I'm gonna. So. Ugh. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get off in like 20 minutes. I'm gonna keep my stream on and I'll just come back at 145. Wow, this was good. This was used nicely as an inverse right here. All right, let's try a gold short. 'Cause why not? I'll try to go for like this low, more of a scalp. Dude, how did I get this on my screen? Oh. Yeah, I see, thanks. Alright, stop the break even now. Oh wait, I'm gonna move this a little bit. Damn it! It's gonna go hit my stop, isn't it? Yeah, I'm gonna get stopped out. Yep. Oh, that was kind of quick soap. Quick break even play there. I'm just gonna watch this. I bet you this still works. I'm not gonna re-enter though. Sometimes I wish my fill wasn't that good. What I'm hoping happens is I hope it ends up hitting this stop, because then it just shows you guys why I put my stop to break even so fast after we hit the internal low. Is Zoro in here? So again, you always move your stop to break even after you hit the internal low, which is right here. Because most of the time what happens is you end up hitting the stop anyways. And there's the high from the confirmation entry. So do you guys see why I said this is the 2022 model long now, not short? Again, it all depends on where you redeliver from. If you deliver from a bullish fair value gap, there's an SMT here. Oh, okay. We're probably going to take out the stop anyway, so I'm not going to watch anymore. Do you guys see why I put the stop to break even so fast now? Now, if we hit this low, and let's say did not take the short here, okay, then I would not have shorted this. The only reason I did short this is because we never hit this internal low yet, so I was like, okay, this should work at least at this internal low. But it's probably too, what's the word I want to say? Oh yeah, would have been too low of a risk reward to take. Really small profit, so no point in taking that. This is boring PA. Alright, let's tape read this. And here's another inverse fair value gap, but I'll just tape read. Because if we close below this, we're really redelivering from this bullish order block right here. You could try it. Options. Horrible play, though. It's actually a good play because they're really, really high, but horrible play speaking from an ICT standpoint. Just because this is an inverse. We really didn't hit the high here. Oh, wait, we might hit it on Q. Oh, we did hit it on Q. Okay. Alright, alright. So this is an SMT. Yeah, I could definitely see this working, baby. Am I taking it? Hell no. Ban who? Oops. Yeah, because this is my old chart. That was my bad. Oh, we do not have an SMT. Yeah, I didn't realize. Rip, no SMT here. Maybe with YM we have one. Oh, I do have YM. Oh, wow. YM is very weak. I see. Thank you. Wait, did you guys get the noti for add everyone? Bro, someone literally just took the play, the short right there, and said, why didn't this work? Does anyone know where I go in settings to make it so people can't add everyone? I swear I already have the setting on. Mention, okay, let me check. Bro, we're probably just gonna go back to the high. I'm not even kidding. Like this, we're just gonna keep going, hitting the high, just never gonna stop. I'm not even kidding. If we break that 440 level on SPY, I will literally just keep longing and just longing and just longing until it doesn't work anymore. Alright, rolls. The problem is, oh, default permissions. Yeah, I have it turned off for everyone, so I don't know how I did that. I have no idea how I did that. It's been turned off. Server settings, roles, role name, turn. Alright, let me try to check. Maybe there's another role. Oh, dodgy alerts can, that's why. I see. Okay, I turned it off. Yeah, we're all set now. Yeah, I turned it off. Bro, please dump 100 million points here. I don't do analysis on YM, but this does look bullish still. This is an inverse video I got long. Gold is. Yeah, right. Okay, there's the target for Euro. Alright, I'm probably just gonna mute my mic. I'm gonna leave my screen on for now. I'm gonna go do some stuff. There's obviously nothing that's gonna go on till FOMC now, so I'll be back at like 1:45 probably. So yeah, peace for now. I'm keeping the stream on. Wait, maybe we'll dump here. No, I'm just kidding. I am not watching this. All right, bye.